The first little project I'm going to do is I'm going to spray paint the top of these jars that I've been saving to upcycle them. This is one that I've used in the past. You can see it's wearing from overuse, so I'm just going to give that a quick redo. But the rest of these, all the jars are different, so by spray painting the top with the chalkboard paint, they'll all look the same even though they're all different. Plus, if I really wanted to, I can label the tops with chalk. I like to get little crafts like this out of the way beforehand because it helps me figure out planning and what I still need to buy. So this is the garbage bag I used to do my painting. I actually turned it inside out and then let it dry, so now this is on the inside of the garbage can, so I can still use this garbage bag. I'm also going to give this sign I bought from the Dollar Tree just a quick paint with some metallic gold, and it'll give me a chance to try to figure out where it should go. So this is my Valentine's Day stuff. Some of this I already had, and some of this you've seen in a Dollar Tree haul, but I will start over here. I got pencils from the Dollar Tree for the kids, some of these picks and pins for some decorations. I had this already, a little love nest sign. I got this from Safeway. And because it says love nest, I have these little white birds I got from the Dollar Tree. I usually use these for spring, but I have used them in winter, and because it says love nest, I think it would look cute with the Valentine's Day stuff. I bought this from the Dollar Tree to use in my home sign, along with a bunch of flowers. The vase I already had I got from Goodwill. These are Dollar Tree plates. These are Dollar Tree chargers I already had, but they matte. And then some of these paper doilies. I got those from the Dollar Tree. I got these cups from Home Goods, Valentine's Day themed cups. I got some candies from Target and Trader Joe's. These jelly bean hearts are from Trader Joe's. These Sour Patch Kids are from Target. And then I made sure to open them since the bag is not see-through, because I wanted to see what colors they were. They're more of a pastel than I thought they would be from the bag, so good to know. And the same with these Yorks. I was wondering if they were in a Valentine's Day wrapper, and they are. Pineapple is my favorite. I love these. These came from the Dollar Tree, so I will use these for decorating. This came from the Dollar Tree. These came from the Dollar Tree. These came from the 99-cent store, but I already had these from last year or the year prior or the year prior. I've had these purple hearts for a while. They were actually Valentine's Day clearance that I was using for Christmas, but here they are back for Valentine's Day. This is the little wooden sign that I got from the Dollar Tree that I painted gold. And then I don't know what color I'm painting the hearts yet, but I thought that was so pretty. Some of these ornaments, the paint yourself ornaments. Some sparkling berry lemonade from Trader Joe's. This is the calendar my son made for me. I had to cover some of the private information. They have like the room and everything and the kids' names, so I just covered that up for now. And then the calendar part blew off in the wind, so I need to glue it back on. I will be doing that. I bought this from the Dollar Tree, and I plan on making it into a Valentine's Day box to collect cards for my daughter. And she wanted to do a cupcake, so I have a cupcake pan that I figured she can use it for paper mache, and we'll paper mache the top. And then I got these airheads and the Valentines for the kids. And then I also bought like the little treat bags to go with them for the classroom stuff, along with these little fun-shaped erasers. These ones are like little foods and little ice cream cones and so on. And then these are some space ones that I thought were just really cute. And this was $4.99 from the 99-cent store, and these were $1.99, so $2 from the 99-cent store. So I figured that with the candy and the little heart bags and the Valentines will be nice little treats for the classroom. And then I made sure to get some of these Dollar Tree cards for the teachers, and they can put their school pictures inside them and then write something inside for them. And then it's just a cute little perfect day to tell you just how wonderful you are, all my love. And then this is a pillow from last year and some ribbon. It's not a whole lot of stuff, and it's not worth a whole lot. Like, I didn't spend too much, but I think it'll get the job done. So I'm doing a little prep work. This is the ribbon that I bought from the Dollar Tree. It's 5/8 of an inch, and I just cut it in half to make it a little thinner so that I could feed it through these little paper hearts to make a garland. Also, the kids are going to be doing their Valentines today. And since I bought these from the Dollar Tree, a tip that I have is that you go ahead and you cut them apart yourself, because they are cheap, and when you like fold them and try to rip them, it'll ruin the actual Valentines. So I learned this the hard way a couple years ago. It's easier if you just cut them for your kids, since they are the cheap ones, and it'll save you money in the long run. And then I always put them, like, they come with these little stickers to fold them in half and seal them, but instead I just put them into these Ziploc bags long ways so that you can see the names through the bags. And then I use the little heart and put it next to the from or the to where they write their name. And then they're going to put candy in the bags too, and then they're going to put the little erasers inside the bags. So just a little bundle that would cost about the same as if you were to go to like Walmart and buy the more expensive Valentines, except I get to pick like what's inside the bags. So my 5-year-old wrote all the names on his Valentines, and then I let him pick out all the erasers for the classmates, and then I put all the candies with them. So I just have to put them in the bags. It's a little difficult for him, but this is basically the end product, where you can see their names on the back and then like the treats around in the front. And my daughter already did hers, and then she has to make like a card box. So I started the top for her. It's just some of this purple glue watered down and some of these like pink paper I cut into little strips. And I started the shell for her, since it's such like, it's a very difficult shape and she's never done paper mache before. So I figured this can dry overnight and then she can finish making it thicker tomorrow, and then we can figure out the logistics of attaching it to the lid and then cutting out a slot for cards and everything. So should be pretty good. So these are the living room couches. I have them with just like a blue black theme, and then I plan on changing. These are just like, this is a crib sheet and this is a queen size sheet, and I plan on changing it with these 2 twin sheets. So we'll see how it turns out. These are hand-me-down couches. We live in a 2-bedroom apartment, and it's just not really smart to be buying new couches to put into an apartment. It's very small, so we kind of have these weirdly stuffed in here anyways, and it's gotten even smaller since the pandemic, because we had to make space in the back for like Mario's office. So I ended up grabbing some of these other pillows because I didn't like the way it looked, and I'm still not sure I like the way it looks, but at least it's an improvement. I pulled out the San Marcos blanket because I think it just needed something. I don't like this as much as I liked the other couches with the blue. I don't know, we'll see. This is our bar. It's really kind of a catch-all, and these are how the jars turned out that I'm going to be filling. So I'm just going to give this a quick clean and then organize it. A lot of this is mess from getting ready in the mornings. This drawer set down here has our masks and our hairbrushes and our detanglers and our hats and our gloves and our mittens and our hand sanitizers, just all of it. So it kind of gets a little crazy and it has to be organized quite a bit. I also like to keep homework pencils and erasers up here on the bar, so it's very easy for the kids to grab one after school and do their homework. A really easy idea is I'm just going to take the erasers that my kids already have and just pull out the ones that are color themed and put the rest away. So I ended up going back to the store and finding some of these strawberry Sour Patch Kids. I absolutely love the strawberry Sour Patch Kids. And Sour Patch is one of the few candies that my children can eat. So I was super happy that I could get these, and I think they're just perfect for Valentine's Day. I didn't get nearly as much decorating done as I wanted to, but I still got a little bit done, and I think it turned out really cute, and the kids have really been enjoying the little candy bar. And my son especially has been loving all of the hearts around. He is a kindergartner, so it is kind of his first go at all of the holidays, being able to do all of the little crafts and stuff at school, and then coming home and being able to do all the little crafts and stuff and activities. It's been really cute because his homework has been Valentine's themed, because his teacher is honestly just amazing. I'm so happy with his teacher. I also decided to go back to the store to pick up some chocolates and some cookies for his teacher. I wanted to make sure to give his teachers, the librarian, and the bus driver all a special little treat because they are just amazing and have worked so hard this year. And I just love how my son's teacher will send me pictures because I can't be there and she knows. It drives me crazy. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you like my stuff. Hit that like button, and I will see you guys next time.